talk about the one of the problem that you may face in the Visual Studio Code. So you can see this is a Visual Studio Code, and this is the problem that source control. So if you see the tab number 3 is about the source control, and it is saying install Git. So even though I have installed Git on my machine, this is a Mac OS, so that's why it is showing download Git for Mac OS. But actually I have already installed Git. So still it is not able to identify the source control, that is a Git that I have installed. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to the settings tab. If you open the settings tab here, right? So this is the settings tab, right? Then this tab will be open, settings tab. In this settings tab, you have to search path basically. Okay, and if you scroll down, here, you see the Git path, right? So this Git path is now set to to some particular value which we have to change actually. So for Windows, this shall be the typical path, but this is a MacBook, that's why we have to go to the edit and then we have to change. So you see here, so for my machine currently the path is empty, so you have to paste your correct path for your Git and then it will work. So to get that path, you have to basically type one simple command, so which is a which Git. If you type this kind of command, then you will find that respective path. So you have to copy this path and just add this into this string. Okay, now if you save this one, Control S, and if you reload this one, so you can see here there is a reload option. If you reload this one, the VS Code will be reloaded, and you can see here now there is a no that Git not identified error. So what you see here is whatever changes you have made, the commit options, the different Git operations now available to you. So this is a simple trick. You have to change this git.path basically in the settings.json, and the command for that one is which Git. That path you have to copy and paste here. That's it. Thank you guys.